Hello to everyone, guys! Let's discuss the technique of scooping horse movement. I'm not sure if it is absolutely correct name for this movement, but anyway, it's not that important. Important is how you do this movement. Basically, it consists of undulation from up to down, hip roll from back to front, like scooping something, and the movement ends with the elegant figure 8 by your leg. All these movements should be fluently united. Of course, during learning you'll make mistakes and may do each movement separately, but remember how fluently fixated it should be. Mind your feet, which should be out and stretched, drawing extended figure 8. Try to hide your heel, even from a static point of view. Our feet cannot be sterile clean, you know. In addition, you may hone technique near belly stick to keep balance. Standing one side or another to it, or standing back or front to keep your back stretched. Enjoy it with me!